is your rubric is brilliant. So again, you can do your assignment description, you can take the learning criteria and update it. So what type of description? Is it holistic? Is it analytic? And do you want it number based, or do you want descriptive? And then what's your different performance levels? So I'm not sure about anyone else, when you're doing reports and thinking of reports, you're like, where am I going to start on this? So it's really good on that it'll give you those different terms of assessment. So we'll do 5, keeping it descriptive. Do you want the scoring criteria automated? And we'll do BTEC level 3 this time. So I'll use I'll just keep this as efficiency in engineering. And what I will do is, again, I haven't given more any information, because what I did want to let you see was it's basically off the cuff and what I'm creating here, and it's not going to be that I have trained it in any way that it knows exactly my thinking and what I'm doing, that I haven't used it like some of the other platforms. So what I've got, there we go. So I've got my performance level, outstanding, and it's got a description. So maybe you're not using this for a lesson, but maybe you're in an interview and you're doing HR and you want to use this, or you're using it for English and you want to describe some of the descriptors. So all I put in was efficiency and engineering, not a lot of information. We've got excellent, we've got good, satisfactory, and then needs improvement. So demonstrates limited understanding of efficiency, minimal analysis in terms of processes, and the assignment lacks practical. So you could put it in your descriptors in terms of your pass, your merit, and your distinction in there. And then it will build your credit levels in to allow you for students to use. So you can print that and you can save it. So again, it's just saving us, it's that time, and it's where everybody talks about that 80-20 and how we think about it.